In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from uploading your contract to placing the signature fields, all the way to sending it out for signing. Follow along on your screen as I go, and feel free to pause at any point if you want to complete each step in real time. First, start in your Pandadoc dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option that says New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you begin any new contract or agreement you want to send for e-signature. Next, Pandadoc will ask how you want to create this document. Choose the option that says Select File. This lets you upload an existing contract from your computer or cloud storage. Find your contract file, select it, and wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, Pandadoc will open it so you can prepare it for signing. Now it's time to add your recipients. Look for the area labeled Add Recipients. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person or people who need to sign the contract. If there are multiple signers, you can add them one by one. Make sure you double-check the spelling of each email so the document actually reaches the right inbox. When you've added all required signers, click Continue to move on. With your recipients added, you'll see your document on the screen and a panel on the right side with different types of fields. From that right panel, click and drag a signature field onto the document. Place it exactly where you want your signer to sign, usually at the bottom of the contract. If there are multiple signers, assign each signature field to the correct person using the recipient drop-down and add any additional fields you need, such as dates or text fields. Once your fields are in place, look for the button that says Review and Send and click it. Pandadoc will ask you to enter a document name. Choose a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, then click Continue again. You'll now see the email preview. Here, type your email message to the recipient. You can briefly explain what the contract is about and if there are any deadlines or special instructions. When everything looks good, click Send Document. Pandadoc will send the contract to your recipients, and you'll be able to track when they open it and when they sign.